Welcome to Advanced Tech Solution channel. Today's video I will show you how to resolve remote desktop connection error. This is a new error for Windows server. I am trying to connect my local server remotely. Connect and then I enter my administrator password and then click OK. I find that kind of error message, which is Credential Security Support Provider Encryption Oracle Remediation error. This is the new error. If you find that kind of error, you cannot connect your VM server or local server remotely. So try to resolve this issue. I am going to gpedit.msc and after that I am going to administrative template. Under the administrative template, go to system and then go to credential delegation. Right side you can find Encryption Oracle Remediation. Click on it and go to policy setting. After that, change the mitigated to vulnerable and click OK. Now I am trying to connect my server. Enter my password and then click OK. See, now I can connect my server remotely. So you can resolve this issue in that way. You can also resolve this issue using patch update your server. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video for the future update. Thank you.